I bought this MagicRaven portable monitor because it's one of the lightest portable 15-inch monitors, and it's on discount, especially for Prime members. Yes, Amazon Prime members get lots of special discount every now and then. Sign up for Prime membership using my affiliate link here on the top left. When I received its monitor, I was impressed with the packaging. It reminds me of the packaging for my MacBook Air, even though there are not much wording on the outside. Let's open it up. After I open the box, that's where all the impressive stuff ends. The user manual and support information card is just thrown on top. Well, it doesn't matter. I think it's the monitor's quality that is more important. After I pull up the monitor by tugging on the side of the plastic bag, I discovered there was a box of cables and accessories at the bottom. It's good to see that MagicRaven supply these accessories. I have a feeling this is a really good buy, or should I say a good value for money. So we have the monitor cleaning cloth, and this is the 10-watt USB-A to USB-C power adapter. And this is the power only cable, which is to be used with the adapter. And I most likely don't need this power adapter and cable because my laptop's USB-C can power this monitor. I'll show you two ways of running this monitor later. Yes, this is the USB-C to USB-C cable that I'll be using. This cable delivers both the power and video signal. I like that they have got everything so neatly labeled and packaged in the Ziploc bags. And finally, there is also this HDMI to mini HDMI cable because this monitor has a mini HDMI port for those older laptops and desktop computers that don't have a USB-C port. Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. This video is not sponsored and I'm not affiliated to MagicRaven. I bought this monitor myself. So, I'm connecting up the monitor using USB-C to C cable. In this setup, we can use the laptop's battery to power the monitor via the USB-C port. This setup is the most convenient when I work outdoor or at a coffee shop where I don't have a power supply. Just a single USB-C cable does everything. The performance of the monitor is fast and the display colors are on par with my laptop's monitor. There is no lag at all. And this is my Holyland microphone, which I'm going to use to test out the speakers. Yes, this MagicRaven monitor has a built-in speaker even though it's really thin. I'll switch between my laptop's speakers and the MagicRaven monitor speakers for you to hear the difference. Yes, the speakers on the MagicRaven are not great, and definitely no match for my laptop's speakers. But it's there if we need basic audio. My Asus ZenBook OLED laptop has Dolby Atmos and is renowned for its loud speakers. That's why the MagicRaven monitor is no match for it. The leather case is magnetically attached to the monitor on the top at the back, so we can angle it like that. Let's take a look at the ports on the left. These are all the video and power input ports. Two USB-Cs, and this is the mini HDMI port for the cable I showed earlier. This MagicRaven monitor is a matte screen and the bezels are really thin. And on the right side, there is a 3.5mm headphone jack to listen to the audio, the power button, which also acts as the back button, an indicator light, the jog dial for us to navigate the monitor settings, and this micro USB port, which I'm really curious, what is this for? And after checking out the menu, apparently we can connect a keyboard or a mouse to this micro USB port. Now, just look at how thin this monitor is. This part with all the ports and electrical circuit board is only 9mm thick, and the top part with just the display screen is only 6mm thick, which makes this a really portable monitor. When I finish work, I simply fold my laptop and this MagicRaven monitor and carry them together like this. It would be nice if the cover is a little thicker to protect the screen, but I understand they use a thin case to keep the weight down, which I can appreciate. This is my Bellroy Transit backpack, and both the MagicRaven portable monitor and my Asus laptop can fit into the laptop compartment easily. And like I mentioned earlier, the MagicRaven monitor is pretty much weightless. This is the other way we can run it via HDMI if we want to use it with an older laptop or desktop computer that does not have a powered USB-C port. We will need to plug in the adapter and supply power to the USB-C port. There we go, the monitor turns on but says no input. And next, we plug in the mini HDMI into the monitor and then the other HDMI into the laptop. Using HDMI connection is as good as the USB-C. There is also no lag at all. Oh, and if your old HDMI laptop has a USB-A port, the monitor can also be powered using the USB-A port. This means you don't need a power supply and can have this setup working outdoors or at the cafe. It just means that there are two cables running from your HDMI laptop to the monitor. And this is how easy we can use the jog dial controls to change the monitor settings. Rotate the jog dial up and down to navigate, and push into the jog dial to select the option. And there is a separate back button at the bottom. I've been using this monitor for over 2 weeks already, and I enjoyed the lightweight convenience very much. Having a second screen to work at the cafe makes me so much more productive. The only regret I have getting this monitor is that I didn't spend a bit more to get the touch screen version. Yes, there's a touch screen version for this MagicRaven monitor. Get this monitor here using my Amazon affiliate link, and remember to hit that like button and share this video so more people will know how convenient it is to have a portable monitor like this. On my channel, I review products that I buy and use for myself, so subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next video.